Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we will be preparing a mildly spiced Afghan Chicken Tangdi. We upload new videos every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. For the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I'll prick the chicken thighs with a fork. This is to ensure that the marination penetrates deep till the bones. Then I'll sprinkle the sea salt, followed by pepper powder. Then I'll squeeze half a lemon. And I will be rubbing all these three ingredients thoroughly on the chicken thigh pieces. Then I'll grind few green chillies, garlic and ginger and add this paste to the chicken thigh pieces. Then I'll start adding up the ground spices. First I'll add green cardamom, which I've ground finely, followed by cinnamon powder, coriander seed powder, a good amount. Then I've roasted and ground cumin seeds. I'll be adding this powder. Then in goes a little amount of carom seeds, that is Ajwain. Then I'll be adding a good amount of skimmed milk powder. This will make the chicken pieces creamy as well as it will absorb any moisture. Then I have ground almonds and cashews into a coarse powder. I'll be adding this. Then for a little amount of liquid, I'll be adding thick curds. And rub the marination thoroughly on the chicken pieces. And this I will allow to get marinated for 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. Then it is the time to grill this chicken tangdi. I'll be grilling it over a hot skillet. I'll drizzle a little amount of cooking oil. Once the skillet is hot, I'll place the marinated chicken tangdis and grill it on a low flame. Please ensure that you remove excess marination. Occasionally, I'll rub it with little amount of melted butter and continue grilling till the chicken is soft and well cooked. So this grilled chicken will be your new obsession for sure. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.